Hey, MonkeyBoo. Hey guys, we're here with a special friend from MonkeyBoo to meet. This is Hemi. He's almost 2 years old. He's a friendly little guy. He's a little bit nervous, but Boo wants to be. Look at Boo. He said, I want to be your friend. Alright, so let's see if these guys will lip smack with each other. Hemi's checking out the camera. Oh, look.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
These guys have just met each other. Look.
Oh, hugs. Oh my goodness.
Boo says, that's all hands.
Hello.
He's a big boy for 2, isn't he, Boo? Yeah. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Does Boo want to wrestle already?
Hello.
Hemi really loves his dad. We're going to see if we can get him to do this. See if you can get him to love on you like when he's excited to
Come here,
see
give me a
you.
kiss.
Give me kisses. Hello.
Watch this.
Hello. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my goodness. I love you too. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. I squeeze him. I'm squeezing him. Oh my goodness. Yes, I am. Oh, hello. Oh my God. Hello. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness.
You love your
Oh
daddy?
my goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness.
See, he is a very sweet monkey.
Hello. 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 Hi.
That was very cool, baby.
Hello.
What's him doing? What's him doing? What's him doing?
Will you shake my hand? Oh, hey,
Hello.
Boo.
Hello. Say hello.
I'm gonna get my bracelet. Hemi, this was very fun. Sometimes capuchins will click immediately and they just love each other. But for them to make this much progress in the first time, this is really good. These guys can end up being really good friends.
Hello.
And Hemi is not shy to the camera. Right?
No, he's not.
And you guys got to see MonkeyBoo loves his daddy, but that's a monkey thing. Hemi loves his daddy, right? Boo, quit digging in my ear.
Hello.
All right, so Hemi, I need you to give everybody a kiss. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Oh, that's a big kiss. Good job, Hemi. Thank you. Say MonkeyBoo said he'll see you guys in the next video.